day 2. We're out here on the bugle already, so I'm gonna ditch the truck and head on over and see what we can get into, see what this bull looks like. So, morning, day 2.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, from where we first saw that bull, we came over a little flat here, and we're down looking over this creek, and we got about 4 to 5 bulls around us, so waiting for them to come out of the tree line and feed off. So, I don't know if you heard that, but we got one up in the tree, so we're held up right here to see if we can get him to come out. Alright, well, close out the morning of day 2. We're in some areas, the thicker areas, to try to get these bulls when they transition over to bedding. Got on a few, heard a few, didn't get to see them, but as we came into the Cienega, just walked all the way across here. There's an old cabin here. It's been here for a long time. It's really old. A lot of people visit here, people writing their initials and whatnot all around, but it's a pretty cool cabin way out here. Pretty thick area of cabin. So that closes out day number 2 that morning.
I'm working this evening too, so probably won't be out here this evening. You're coming out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But be back out Monday, then hunting the whole week with him.
So yeah, we'll be hunting pretty hard. Maybe Jason's coming with me this evening. So. Pretty area. It's kind of hard to believe that this is part of the reservation. To me, it seems like we're in a different state or something. High altitude. So it's a lot different than other places that we're used to hunting. Coos, deer, and all that stuff. So just thought I'd show you guys. Alright, we're out here evening hunt of day number 2. We're just up here at sunrise again like we were yesterday evening, and got some bulls that we saw off the road here that we did not see yesterday. One good, maybe a pretty good bull, real big tops, very good eye guards. A lot better than what we've been seeing, but he's pretty weak on his third. So we're gonna probably stay up along this highway and glass up some of these bulls. There is the state hunt going on, so maybe some of these bulls are being pressured onto the res. So we're gonna take our time, pick through these bulls and see what happens. So stay tuned. All right, well, we're back in the area we were in this morning. It's an area that we never, scouted or checked the activity of bulls in the evening time. So we're back here. We parked, we bugled, and we have a bull down in the Cienega right now, and we have a few more maybe down by the creek. So it's just me and Jason to this evening. Q had to work, so see what's in here. We'll look around and we'll just check it out. So let's go. Alright, well, that was the end of day 2. Our evening hunt was pretty good. Saw a bunch of young bulls. Got some bulls that held up in a tree line. Might be older bulls, pretty smart. They ain't come out. They're not coming out till dark. So first evening hunt back here, so it was pretty good. So we might be hitting this area pretty hard from now on. We did scout up a good bull in here that I consider my number 1 bull. So we'll see if we can get on him next few days. So we'll be hitting it hard in here. Well, we did see, a good, decent bull back over by sunrise earlier this evening. So, well, that's a wrap for day number 2. So keep watching.
What's up, guys? You might have heard my name being thrown around. My name's Jason. Tagging along with this hunt. Just kind of like everything's a new experience for me. It's pretty cool. Calling in these bulls, getting pretty close, feeling my heart rate go up. Just thankful for JT and Q inviting me along. So I gotta work tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to get off and come back and hit it with them on Tuesday. So I just want to leave you guys with that, but it's pretty cool. You'll probably be seeing me again soon.
Yeah, he was camera shy, so we've been trying to get him on a camera. So yeah, he's, like you said, he's new to hunting, coming out with us. So it's kind of what this whole channel is about, to try to get our family, we got cousins that's never been out there, never fished, never hunted. They want to experience all this, and we want to show you guys all of that. So we're glad that he came along, and we're hoping that we find a shooter bull and he's out there with us. So like I said, stay tuned, stay up to date, follow Instagram page White Mountain Crew. We'll always link it down in the description box on the bottom. Be sure you subscribe and follow along, because like this is the first hunt. We got more hunts coming up. We got fishing trips that we'll be going on. So
Yeah, baby.
yeah, Jason's fishing,
Looking
so
forward
he
to
loves
that.
fishing. So stay tuned.
Bit. And we're out. Peace.